Hi guys, this is Eunice and I'm going to show you how to make your strawberry shortcake in a mason jar. And it's easy to put together, but you do have to take some steps in preparing everything. So what I did is I went ahead and cut the strawberries up, took the tips off, add sugar to it, and then chopped it up and let it sit for like a couple hours. What you want to do is marinate that sugar into the strawberry. You want that sugar to caramelize, in with the strawberry. And the second thing I did in order to get prepared is to take my mallet and break down and crumb up these honey grams and so forth. And here are the mason jars that we're going to be using for this. And here's the top here that's going to be, you know, like that, seal it up. And one of the things that I like to do is make this on the holidays and so forth and things like that. We actually have like 3 ingredients, and we have the actual Cool Whip here. So we have the strawberries, Cool Whip, and the grams. And these desserts, strawberry cakes, are going to be such a treat for so many people. These are things that you can give as gifts to family, friends, and loved ones, teachers, and things like that. And they last. And what you can do to prepare one of these for a family member, friend, teacher, whatever, is just put a little bow on the jar and tie it up. And I also have some labels here where you can actually just put these on the jar. These are little thank you labels and so forth that you can just say, you know, to someone, you know, thank you, your neighbor, give them a jar of this great dessert. And I also have some of these little baggies and so forth where you string up. Gazana bags, I think they're called, and you can just like stick the jar in there and pull it tight and just, you know, give that to them. But I would still put a little sticker on there. You don't have to use these stickers, thank you sticker. You can like get from Vistaprint or some other place and so forth, some like other kind of personal note. So what we're gonna do now is go ahead and start putting this together. I love this and everything. Like I said, this has been crunched up, and what I'm going to do is measure this. I have my measuring cups out and everything to put this together, because you want to put the same amount in each jar. So that's one of the things for the measuring cups and everything, to make sure everybody gets some. And I'm actually going to make 2, but I'm just going to make 1 on camera just for you to see how I'm doing it. I'm going to put 1 full cup of grams to the bottom. I love this. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this in. And this also helps you to keep from being too messy and so forth with that. So you have your grams here. Okay, and I'm going to use this other ½ cup here, and for the Cool Whip, or actually for the strawberries, because I'm trying to think which one I want on top. So I'm going to do the strawberry and then the Cool Whip, and then we're going to do it again. So this is so great. So I'm going to use this ½ cup here for the strawberries. Going to put that in. So, got the strawberries here. And we're just going to pour this in. Be careful, because this can spill. And you see that? Use your spoon. Just make sure it's spread out good, because you want to make sure that it's there. Then you want to use some Cool Whip. Okay, and we're going to use the Nate's measuring cup to get this, and this is 1/4 cup, and we're going to use it to put the Cool Whip in. I'm just going to dip right in here and get that Cool Whip. Use the spoon, something just dropped. Measure that off. Okay, and stick that in. So get that in. So you got your graham cracker, your strawberries, and so forth. And now you're going to go back in and put graham crackers and strawberry and so forth until you complete it to the top. Okay, so we're going to use this again. And we're not going to be able to get a full cup in here this time, so we're just going to do a half a cup. So these jars are kind of small. I'm going to put this in. See? And layer it out. And then we're going to do the same thing for the strawberries. Gonna put these in here. And you can fill this up. Okay, so got that. We're gonna put this in here. And you're gonna level this out. Level it out. Switch it down a little bit because you do want to get a little bit of graham and a little bit of cream on top of your jar to just cap it off. Okay, so we are going to do a little, we're not going to measure this, just going to use a little scoop here with the spoon and going to put that in top here. And maybe a little bit more, because you want to cover that top with that. And then what we're going to do is just sprinkle some of the graham crackers on that, because that way it won't be so messy when you actually take when you put the lid on and when you take the lid off and everything. So you're just going to use your fingers and clean around the top. That's good. And so now we're just going to wipe our fingers off and sprinkle a little bit of graham crackers on here. I don't know, let's see, just gonna sprinkle, yeah, a little crackers on top. And just use your hand to do that, no big deal here. And just make sure it covers the top, because that's all you can get into this. And there you have it. You got your strawberry shortcake. You got your cake, graham cracker to the bottom, strawberry, graham crackers. Well, Cool Whip. Don't let me forget that. Okay, graham cracker, strawberry, Cool Whip. And the same thing up top. Graham cracker, strawberry, Cool Whip. And so forth. And then you're going to take your lid and just put it on top. Right here. And again, you can take this ribbon. Move this out of the way so you can see this. Take this ribbon. I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and just go ahead and do one. I wasn't going to do that, but I'll go ahead and do it. These scissors are kind of dull. Okay. And we're going to hold our fingers here. Or actually just tie it in a knot. Instead of, I was going to try to make that bow. But, here we go. Cute little treat. Cute little treat. And again, just stick a label on here saying thank you. And or put it up top. Right here. Say thank you. And you can pass these out. Give them to people that you love. And here you go. Thank you for watching another Christmas holiday treat. I did this before a couple years ago. And this time I'm doing it because I'm going to have this again. Alright, bye.